Here's an easy guide on how to properly soak floral foam. Wet floral foam is designed to hold fresh flowers in place in floral arrangements. Gently place a piece of floral foam in a bucket of water. Takes approximately 60 seconds to soak. Make sure not to force soak the foam. This will create air pockets in the foam that do not hold water and will reduce the lifespan of the flower. Once the floral foam has been fully soaked, pull the foam out of the water. See the difference between a soaked and forced soaked brick? Trim the foam according to the size of the container that you will be using. Once all of this is completed, you are ready to add fresh flowers to the arrangement. For more of our range of floral foam products, visit our website on koch.com.au.